Video will show another variation of our dynamic lighting controller. A user can utilize two push buttons to adjust directly the intensity and color temperature of a tunable white LED fixture. Again, we'll be using our Tunable White DIMEZE display box as a lighting fixture in this demonstration. Okay, so this is our demo board. The intensity and color temperature or CCT button on the silver faceplate is connected to the dynamic lighting controller at the back, which is controlling the tunable white downlight and light bars at the top. For the wall plates, besides what we have shown in the toggle switching video, we have prepared more colors and faceplate design. Now for the push buttons, we have large, medium, and small size buttons for selection. Now the design is not fixed, meaning the customers can select the faceplates with different colors and buttons. Now this is a solid aluminium alloy plate in red. And this one is black and has different finishing on the side. This one has a small sized buttons and is in gold. This one has two big buttons and the design is the same as the silver plates that we have installed in the demo board. Now compared with the toggle switch interface, the push button interface has an obvious advantage of simplified wiring. Now, but before we move on to the demonstration, let's recall our Gen 4 two-way phase dimmer. The DZ4G450 multi has a single push button and is integrated with light on-off, dimming the intensity up and down, and toggling between the preset high and low intensity levels. As we'll see, it's the same idea here. Now the first operation we'll demonstrate is light on-off. Any short press of either button will switch on the light, but only a short press of the intensity button will switch off the light. Switch on the light, switch off the light. Now when the light is switched on again, the last intensity level will be restored. Dimming up, down, and cycling. When the light is on, holding the intensity button changes the intensity level. If the intensity level is not changing in the desired direction, release and hold the intensity button again changes the dimming direction. Now here's something new. For the adjustment process, we've implemented a cycling operation, meaning that when the light has reached either the maximum or minimum level, the light intensity will start changing in the opposite direction automatically. Now to swap between two presets, the preset high and low intensity level, simply double-click the intensity button. So we can see the intensity control is basically the same as the two-way dimming. And in fact, the color temperature adjustment is the same procedure too. Changing color temperature. Triggering the preset warm white color temperature. Now the next demo is the minimum intensity set level. As the controller can be used for different applications, tunable white or dimmable, the power requirements of the fixtures can be completely different from each other. The minimum intensity level shall be reset according to the fixture on hand. Now to set the minimum intensity level, switch off the light, then hold the color temperature button and wait for the light to switch on automatically, which indicates the minimum intensity setting mode. While this color temperature button is being held, do the necessary intensity adjustment. When the CCT button is released, the current level will be saved as the new minimum intensity, which we can see now the cycling is at the new minimum level. Now, while the minimum intensity setting is straightforward, users shall take note that if the minimum intensity is set at a higher level than the preset low intensity level, the controller will replace the preset low intensity level by the minimum intensity level. As a result, the dimming range may become narrower than before. And in this case, users shall repeat the minimum intensity setting process to set an optimal dimming range. Now, to change the preset color temperature value, switch off the light, hold the intensity button and begin the color temperature adjustment. Once the intensity button is released, color temperature value will be saved. Now this controller supports up to 2 customized memory settings for the preferred color temperature values. And since there are only 2 memories available, further changes will overwrite the previous setting. Okay, so we have demonstrated the key feature and device operations of our push-button interface. Together with the last 2 videos, our tunable white track light solution, as well as the toggle switch interface for our dynamic lighting controllers, this modular approach represents a new type of solutions for us to address the LED dimming and tunable white applications. We hope our customers or end users would like our new wall plate and tunable white lighting fixtures and new solutions for LED dimming and tunable white applications. And let's conclude our video here. To learn more about dimming technology and product benefits, please check out other videos in the series. And once again, thank you for watching.